So yesterday I showed you how to load data into R, and today allow me show you how to clean the data that you've loaded into R. So there are various ways, but depending on the nature of your data, this is my in this case my data frame is Tibble, has some Tibble format. So what happens is in this case I'll use the inclusion complete cases inclusion way that actually does away with all NAs, all missing observations. So let me say so let's check. First of all, we need to check if there are any missing variables. We might want to clean something that is already clean. So it's true they are missing variables. So you run this code that I've highlighted here. So it's true they are missing variables. So now that we know that we have missing variables, so what do you do? So we clean the data by first using by in this case we'll use complete by use of complete cases because this is a table. So normally there are three ways. There's another one by na.omit data or na.omit function. Then this is the first, then this other one, this is, I said this is complete. Okay, so then the third one normally is called drop drop na. Then so these are the three ways to clean your data depending on which one works with the type of data you've loaded. But in a table case, we'll use case number one by use of complete cases. So in this case, what you actually say is what you say is let's include only complete cases, and here you tell R that please my data still remains, but now I want you to just include the same data, but this time around use complete cases in that data, and then please anything else let it be null, be ignore everything else. Then that's it. Then we have, you notice first of all, like before we run that before we run the cleaning, if we load this, we have 1007 observations. But if we load this and say please include only complete cases, if we run that, we have 999 observations. And if you notice, if we run this, there are no missing variables. You don't have any NAs. NAs show missing observations in your data set. I can show you before we cleaned. We go here. Before we cleaned, we had 10,000 observations. If you open this data, you'll notice some NAs here. These are NAs. So these are not allowed in your analysis because now they'll corrupt the essence of the analysis. A lot of errors will be seen. So that's why now we have to clean it up. So I don't know how many observations are there, but if once I run my function to clean up the data, then and now the NAs are nowhere to be seen. So this is how you clean data that is in table format. I'll be showing more perhaps in the next video. I'll load a data frame that actually allows NA, omit and drop NA to